Sir, ma'am, greeting of the day. My name is Baljit Singh. I am from Chandigarh. I completed my higher education from Punjab School Education Board and I graduated in Hotel Management from XCMI College, Chandigarh, which is separated from Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. I did my industrial training from Hotel Fortune Desai, Missouri. Now I will tell you the different types of cuts. First one is chiffonade. First, for chiffonade, we can take a cabbage and dip like this and cut. This is a chiffonade cut. This cut of chiffonade style is a shredding. Specifically, this cut can be used for leafy vegetables. And this cut, the size of this cut is 1 to 3 mm. The next one is, which is I will tell you, to Python, which is called the Python is a very nice cut. We can use for Python for soups and garnishing. We can use this. I will tell you how to cut this. We can take a red capsicum. This is a red capsicum cut. Basically, I am also telling you about this cut. This cut we use for garnishing and salads also. Now the next one is julienne's cut. This is a julienne cuts. You can see this. This is a julienne cuts, very famous cut. And the next one is elements. The element cut for use are very nice. I will tell you the elements. The element cut, I will tell you the element cut. The size of elements is 2 to 3 mm. We can take a 1 carrot. You can see this cut like this. This is your element cut. You can see this. This is your element cut. And the next one is brunoise. Brunoise, I will tell you how to cut this. It should be very fine line, fine cut. This is a brunoise. This brunoise cut we can use and mostly use for soups and garnishing. We can give good texture from this cuts. Now the next one is macedine. Macedine, how to cut this? The macedine is size of macedine is 5 mm. it should be looked like this. This is a Macedonian cut. The Macedonian cut we can use for in India's lot of curries, in kormas. You can use in this all that. And the last one is the turn vegetable. The turn vegetable, which is I tell you, it should be dimension of turn vegetables 2 to 5 mm. We can take one potato, half potato, and use another knife. This is the turn vegetable cut. Turn vegetable maximum this cut used for potato preparations. And at this end of this session, why I want to go to US from, I want to take this internship from USA because I believe that this internship would be beneficial for me, and I can widen my horizon, scale internship in culinary arts.